Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall the Riot Games client. So let's begin. So here we are in our desktop, and the first thing that we need to do is to go here into our start menu and type in apps and features. And from here we would see the system settings right here, so click on it. So open right here and you sit on your settings right here. Or you could just go into settings and type here apps and features in the search bar, and you'd be here the same way. And from here, we're gonna go and type Riot. And you would first uninstall the Riot Vanguard right here. Click on uninstall and uninstall it right here. And this will completely uninstall Riot Vanguard from your computer. Games that depend on its functionality will stop working. So if you want to continue, then you want to click yes. But in my case, I don't want to completely delete this, but I'm just showing you on how to completely delete it. So in your case, you should click yes and completely delete the Riot Vanguard right here. And after that, you would want to go back. And from here, now we're gonna go into your start menu again. And from here, we're gonna type in Riot, and you would have the Riot client right here. So if once you have the Riot client, you wanna click here on Open File Location right there, and you have the Riot client right here, and right click on the Riot client. And from here, you want to go into Open File Location. And once you are here, then you would need to go into your Riot Games, local disk C, and you would need to delete this folder Riot Games right here. So you want to right click and delete right here. So yeah, this is where it's installed, but in your case, it might be in a different location. That's why you need to open File Location so that you can see the Riot Games folder right here. And after that, you have successfully deleted your Riot Games. So then the next thing is to delete its app data. So you would need to press the Windows key and R button on your keyboard. And from here, you want to type in app data right here and open and click OK. And from here, you would go into local. And from here, you want to find the Riot Games client or folder right here, Riot Games folder. And you want to delete it right here and right click and delete once you found this Riot Games folder. And then that's it, and all that's left is to delete the games that is associated with the Riot Games client. So in my case, it would be going here into our start menu and going into apps and features again. And from here, for example, I have Valorant. This is associated with the Riot Games client, so I need to delete this right here, uninstall this right here, so that I will be able to free up my space, because this won't run anyway without the Riot Game client. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.